foot. Watch the foot. Hey, hey, okay. Naruto, nine tail, far so foot. I feel like a Gucci ad-lib.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, let me explain myself. I'm pretty sure y'all can tell by the sound of my voice. I have been sick for the past week. It's been awful. I sound like a man, but it's okay. I'm here. Now let's get into the video. As you guys know, a lot of secrets have been kept and a lot of things have been going down. We all know about the things that I've done and the things that I shouldn't have posted it on social. I'm just playing, y'all. Anyways, this is not about me having like a disease or, you know, I got a man now. This is about a girl starting her own business, y'all. So you guys, yes, you heard it correctly, okay? Me and my sister started a business. It is called Queenish. You guys, we are so happy that our baby is growing and that, you know, we just started, so we wanted to continue to grow. Shout out to my sister real quick for creating the website and doing such a great job. Like, she's so... You guys, I'm so sorry. I'm currently at my dad's house, and so all of my, you know, brothers are outside acting a fool, killing chickens. I don't know what they're doing. Hey! Sorry. Like I said, I wanted to give a huge shout out to my sister Kayla. I love you so much. Without you, the website would literally never be up. I'm so excited that this business is starting, you guys. If you want to know what Queenish means or what it stands for, it is about women empowerment, you know, celebrating girl bosses. I've always been the one to, like, when people reach out to me on Instagram and say, hey, can you support or do a review on my brand? I will always try and do it. Like, I love supporting girl bosses in general, people who are doing their own thing and are just being entrepreneurs. I love that. So I try to support that as much as possible. So I was like, why am I, you know, helping all these other people, which is great. I love helping other people, when I could be doing it for myself. Like I was like, okay, I have a brand of my own. I have Queen Key. I could be using my platform to do a brand. Took me a long time to understand that, you guys, but we're here now. We out here. It's above me now. The website launched like last week, and we have tops, we have dresses, we have accessories, we have so many things, and it's just going to continue to grow. Me and Kayla would love your input on what we should, you know, have, what you would like to see on the website. So definitely just leave all the comments down below. Excuse me, I sound really gross. Currently we have a sale going on, which is buy 2 sunglasses get 1 free. So if you guys want to participate in the sale, all the links for Shop Queenish and everything will be in the description box. I will also leave a coupon code for you guys in the description. The coupon code was actually given out the first day we launched the website, but I'll give you guys the code because y'all are my fam. Last but not least, you guys, we have a giveaway going on. Let me tell y'all the tea. Okay, so if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is follow the Instagram page. I will leave the scanner on the screen for the Instagram page, and also if you don't want to scan, I will leave the direct link or the @name to our Instagram page so you guys can follow the instructions. And all you got to do is like the post, tag 3 people, and follow Shop Queenish. I think that's it. After you follow those 3 simple instructions, you guys, it is so easy. You could basically be winning 3 free items of your choice on the website. So if you want to be winning some free dresses, some free, you know, t-shirts, custom, like I custom made these t-shirts, guys. If you want to get free merch, because I do have merch with my face on it, okay? So if you want to win the giveaway, don't forget to follow the instructions down below. I'll also leave the instructions on the Instagram. All right, you guys, thank you so much. You have reached the end of the video. I appreciate every single last one of you guys. Don't forget to support me, okay? Support this business. If you love me, like I love you, okay? Don't forget to follow us on Shop Queenish. Follow my Instagram. Follow my sister as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love you all. Peace out. Bye. Before y'all ask, okay, why I'm not wearing, you know, a shirt or a top from the website, because I'm pretty sure y'all have seen my pictures on Instagram and I'm not gonna post them on the screen. Shameless plug, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. Okay, I'm pretty sure y'all have seen this Boss Check t-shirt and you're probably like, why am I not wearing it? Well, it was wrinkly, and I didn't want to sport my shirt wrinkly like that because I'm too lazy to iron it. I just wanted to go ahead, and I was so excited to start this video, so I just started it, and I just put a shirt on, called it a day. So just before anyone says anything, I love my products. I stand by my products. So yeah, just had to add that in there. Bye.